Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset iMessage on iPhone. Now, first up, you would need to force a refresh of Apple's activation servers or reset your local network cache because it is a built-in iOS component and there is no single reset button just like what we have on Android. Okay, so we would need to follow these simple steps for you to be able to reset your iMessage. Now, if you meant resetting it by deleting all messages, well, you can just go ahead and manually do that right here. Tap on edit at the top left. Okay, tap on select messages, select them all, and after that, tap on delete right here at the bottom right. Now, if that's not the case, let's say your iMessage is bugging out, okay, it's having problems, go ahead and follow these steps. Go ahead and go to settings. Now scroll all the way down, tap on apps right here at the very bottom. Now find messages right here, tap on it. Now just make sure if iMessage right here is enabled, toggle it back off. Wait a bit for about 5 to 10 seconds, okay? And once that's done, just re-enable it. And after that, go ahead and check if it works. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and go back right here. We are going to find our iCloud account right here at the very top. Just tap on it. Now tap on iCloud. Now tap on See All right here under Save to iCloud. Just like so. Now make sure under Messages in iCloud, you enable this one. Okay? If it's already enabled, disable it and tap on Disable and Download Messages. And after that, just re-enable it back on. All right? Now go ahead and go back, do the same thing on phone and FaceTime. Disable it, wait a bit for 5 to 10 seconds, and then just re-enable it. After that, go ahead and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, if it's still bugging out, okay, you could go ahead over to settings once more. Now, go ahead over to General, tap on it. Now, we are going to find at the very bottom, scroll down, we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. So just tap on it. Now, in here, we are going to tap on Reset, and then just to reset the network settings. Note that this will restart your phone and erase a saved Wi-Fi password, so you must reconnect to Wi-Fi afterwards. And after that, you are good to go. That is how you reset iMessage on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.